few hours before he posted Vuyokazi on his story, guys, on Instagram, he was seen with another lady at the shop, right? So people are saying, oh good, there's no difference between Mpumelelo and Tendo Zoso from Brenda. Vuyokazi, she needs to go back to Mpumelelo. It's much better when it comes to Mpumelelo, because Mpumelelo, what about this one, guys? It's also alleged this guy, he is also a polygamous. So people are saying, oh good, so wow, Vuyokazi, you are very disappointing. Vuyokazi, she has also responded to the current situation. She went on to say, Nizenza fresh ngami. What's so funny is that you are all busy following him, but coming to type nonsense with the pictures ninjane kante. My last downfall will not be associated with any man. So people are saying a lot when it comes to Vuyokazi. Someone went on to say, I'm disappointed to hear that our girl only improved her life to only come out and waste in another polygamous. Vuyokazi, you deserve better. So guys, it is a mini video lapana go boyfriend yaka Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi, she's trying to talk with her new man, but Vuyokazi, he's busy dancing. So people are saying, oh, what you can see Vuyokazi Nkosam, this guy, he doesn't even care about you. So the solution is to go back to Mpumelelo. Somebody went on to say, I wish Vuyokazi can go back to Mpumelelo and sort their issues. You all know the reason why Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo did not work out is because Vuyokazi, she was fighting for the momcall position, and Mpumelelo did not want Vuyokazi to be a first wife. He said that yena first wife yake ufuna ibe ichiche, guys, and people were surprised when Amahle came and became a first wife yaka Mpumelelo, guys. So people are saying, come on Vuyokazi, we understand you want to be loved, but your sana dating Tendo is better for you to go back to Mpumelelo. Somebody went on to say, when I say Vuyokazi should go back to Mpumelelo because the body lifestyle is not always what it's hyped to be. I was drag and call sort of names. Now every guy seems to want to turn spotlight being linked to her. Firstly, it was Xolani, the chef, and now it is another one. It seems like she's not comfortable being single. It's not like she's broke with Mpumelelo because she was no longer in love with him. Girl just wanted to be mom cool. So people are saying, so Vuyokazi, just go back to your baby daddy. Already you guys have 2 kids. It's not like you're gonna find out a perfect man in Dotenga Cholo. So people are saying a lot of stuff after seeing the new boyfriend Vuyokazi. But it was also alleged that Vuyokazi, she was dating a doctor, guys. People do not have a problem. The only reason why they are saying Vuyokazi, she needs to go back to Mpumelelo, because now they see the type of a guy she is dating. Seriously understand their reason for wanting Vuyokazi to go back to Mpumelelo, guys. Honestly speaking, guys, it seems like the guy is worse than Mpumelelo. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. At the end of the day, we need to leave Vuyokazi to do what makes her happy, guys. A lifestyle guys, is very dangerous if you're not careful. And Vuyokazi, she's still new. She needs to protect her brand. It doesn't matter whether people love you. One thing about social media, they will build you and they will also destroy you. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe.